Morning guys. Ah, Papalitan natin yan. We will change this old cabinet to the new one. We bought it from online Shopee. From Shopee. Okay. First we have to remove this. Then afterwards, this one, the old cabinet. You have to remove that cabinet and this one to replace a new one. Okay. So let's start guys, removing the items. Okay, 1 minute. So tanggalin mo natin to, mga gamit. One. Ga. Limpyo man siya, no? Siya ba? Ito kong butangan sa mga gamit. Limpyo siya, no? Ito kong nisuhog mo. Akin niya, ang sana taon na ako. Sabon man eh.
Kuan na. Ang ganang isod sa kuan, ibilin niya kayo masabon na.
Oo, sakto na eh.
Nakasan siya sudanan.
Oo. Nagay pala ko ano, stove.
Oh, apil na dahil sa mga tanggal lang na. Butang ba na anak?
I need another one. Lagyan ng mga gamit. Okay. Let's pull out all the things. Morning. Very small space. Whew. So the old cabinet is now empty, so we have to unscrew those supports. Yeah, the metal supports downstairs. taas. So we need to use this one, the driller, this one, to unscrew the screw. The electricity. Already have the extension wire. Okay. So let's pull this one. Okay. Oh. Paano ko? Ayan, screw ako. Ya. Ako yan, screw. Ano? Oh. Kaon ka? Narinig siya. Unscrew ang gano'n. Ang support ng metal ba? No? Ano ka? Pila-pila yung mga kuhan niya?
Bagi bawal ako, hindi ko parang diha.
Wala ko. Kaya, Bart, gano'n ko? Vlog. Charot. Tatangon na ng ilawang ka. We have to remove these things downstairs, yeah, below, sorry. So if this one will fall, nobody's the things will not damage. Okay, so mahulog na siya, walang masisira na gamit. So tanggalin mo natin yung mga gamit yan. We have to pull all the things out. Okay. Pull all the things out. We have a small table here. Yeah. Okay. You have to transfer all the things there. Where you love me the most? Oh. No. If you have a bad day, blue skies holiday. No way. I don't need no carry-on. The tolls.